New 2026. Update, Dress to Impress Roblox. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing all new and working codes for Dress to Impress 2026. These latest codes unlock free outfits, accessories, and exclusive rewards to help you stand out and win more fashion rounds. Important, watch till the end. There's a hidden secret code that many players don't know about. Giveaway entry. Comment your Roblox username below to join today's giveaway. Before we start, like this video, subscribe to Easy Solution. 76. Turn on the notification bell for new 2026. Update includes new outfits, exclusive accessories, special themes, better rewards. Now get ready, let's check all new working codes for 2026.